system activated.
Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant, and here is your daily turbo update for Bitcoin. What you are watching here, this is my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week, and you can see here everything you need for streaming, 24 hours, 7 days a week. And here is the big overview for Bitcoin. On the right side, on this side, you can see here the 5-minute chart, and you can see in the 5-minute chart we have a nice pump to the upside since some hours here, and we will check this now together. Is this the best thing to buy now, or what thing is the interesting thing on this day? What should we watch? And I'm starting here with this thing. This is my 1-hour chart picture. You can see here the 1-hour chart. Every candle is 1 hour, and if you're zooming in a little bit more, you can see we are here in a nice position. Here was the buy signal here on my live stream. Here was the last sell signal. Okay, and here was the buy signal. You can see we have a red ribbon band, and we broke this ribbon band to the upside. This is the good stuff. On the downside, you can see here the MACD. The MACD is bullish. The blue line is over the brown line. This is very bullish, and we are building more and more green candles. Also very bullish. Here on this side, you can see this Fibonacci line, the 0.5 Fibonacci line at 34,400. This is holding as a nice support. You see it here. We spiked down again for a retest, and from this point we saw a nice pump to the upside. If you're zooming out a little bit more, you can see some interesting stuff. This is a big red downtrend. Yes, for sure. We are in a big red downtrend since a longer time here. And you can see as long as we are in this red downtrend, we are in a bearish market. It's in the short time frame, in the 1-hour time frame, bearish. On the long term, I'm still bullish, but here on the short term for this retracement, I'm still bearish. I think it's possible to see more lower targets. It's not impossible. The good stuff is, guys, we saw this point here. This was a low about 29,900. The next thing is we saw a higher low. This was this point here on 31,200. Okay, the bad stuff is we are building lower highs. You can see it here. This was the highest point about 41,900. This was a point, and now we are here on this point. So it's very important to climb over this point here. This was the last high here, or this was the last highest point here at this point, and we need to climb over this. If we see a breakout from this downtrend, we need to climb over this important stuff. This is about a price range from, let me check, 38,800 or 39,000. We need to climb over this. Also watch at this line. It's coming from the upside. This is the EMA 200, and for the moment the price is for the EMA 200 about 40,500. And the next thing, if we can fight up here, I don't say we can fight, I can't say we can't fight, but if we can fight, this is also a big thing to watch. This is the next Fibonacci, the 0.618 Fibonacci at 41,600. It's a long way to the upside, but it's possible to break through. It's possible to see a little leg to the upside. Guys, this point here, this point about 42,000, this is a very important point. So it's possible to reach 38,000. It's possible to reach 40,500, and also possible, in my opinion, to reach 41,000. But we need a confirmed closing over this last point here. I think this is one of the important points. We need 42,000. We need 42,000 to see a really good breakout from this downtrend. Okay, let's go deeper. Let's go into the 15-minute chart. This is the 15-minute chart picture on the left side. And you can see, guys, in the 15-minute chart picture, we are also in a nice uptrend from the downside to the upside. Here is a nice parallel channel, and we are working in this channel. And for the 50-minute chart, it's important you see this line here, this middle line here, and we broke the middle line. The middle line is a really big support now. That's interesting. We may be retesting the support now, and maybe we see an upgoing price again. Also, we broke on the 50-minute chart the EMA 200, very nice. And on the downside, you can see the MACD. We are bullish. The blue line is over the brown line. This is also very nice. So in my opinion, it's now 5 minutes are so fast for a tour update. So okay, guys, look on the downside. Here is the daily chart. The daily chart is also very important. We are in the big uptrend. And guys, yes, for sure, we broke the uptrend to the downside. And that's very important for the long term. We broke it to the downside, but we are over this support, and as long as we are over this support, I'm still bullish on the long term. That's the way I told you guys. I am bullish if we are over 35,000. This is an important thing for me. We had no confirmed closing candle here on the daily chart. If you're zooming in a little bit, we can see it long wicks to the downside, but no confirmed closing candle here. And on the daily, it's also very important, guys. Give me some seconds. I'm finishing now this video, but we are here in a bad downtrend on the long term, and we need to break through this bad red, yes, it's a red bearish downtrend. We need a breakout over this. We need a break again, and we have we must come into this uptrend. It's very important, guys. We need to break, in my opinion, we need to break 42,000. This is a nice thing if we can make that. You can see in the long term we have a short position since here, and we have a bad ribbon band here coming from the upside to the downside. We need to break through, guys. This is the very quick turbo update for the day. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Big greetings to Subcritically. He is the boss of my channel. Please, if you have some questions, join this live stream. I'm there every time, everywhere, 24 hours, 7 days a week. You can join this channel, and if you have questions, please feel free to ask. You can see all here informations, news, Ripple news, Bitcoin, Ethereum recover losses, Bitcoin price prediction. Everything you need is here on this live stream for trading 24 hours, 7 days a week. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. And guys, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short from here. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Bye bye. Yours BT, your Bitcoin Trading Informant.
System activated.